Welcome to our 7-day beginner meal plan for kickstarting your health journey. Are you looking to make some positive changes to your diet and overall health? This meal plan is designed specifically for beginners who are looking to jumpstart their health journey. Day 1. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast like oatmeal topped with fresh fruits. For lunch, try a spinach and quinoa salad with a lemon vinaigrette. Dinner can be roasted chicken with sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Day 2. Enjoy a smoothie packed with leafy greens and frozen berries for breakfast. Lunch can be a turkey and avocado wrap with whole grain bread. For dinner, try grilled fish with brown rice and asparagus. Day 3. Begin your day with a yogurt parfait topped with nuts and seeds. For lunch, try a tuna salad with whole wheat crackers. Dinner can be stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables over brown rice. Day 4. Have a whole grain toast with almond butter and banana slices for breakfast. For lunch, try a veggie and hummus wrap with a side of fruit. Dinner can be spaghetti squash with marinara sauce and a side salad. Day 5. Start your day with scrambled eggs and sautéed spinach. For lunch, try a quinoa and black bean salad. Dinner can be grilled shrimp with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Day 6. Enjoy a chia seed pudding with coconut milk and fresh berries for breakfast. Lunch can be a Greek salad with grilled chicken. For dinner, try lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Day 7. End your week with a breakfast of whole grain pancakes topped with Greek yogurt and honey. For lunch, try a turkey and cranberry wrap with a side of mixed nuts. Dinner can be a vegetable stir-fry with tofu over brown rice. Thanks for watching our 7-day beginner meal plan. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.